Welcome to my channel. Our topic is how to create a Facebook page on Facebook app. So Facebook page basically used for many companies and brands for the promotion of their brand or for the promotion of their business. But today nowadays Facebook page was also be used for many people that can be earned from online or creating a business on online. So basically we will discuss how to create a company Facebook page. First of all, since the launch of Facebook business pages in 2007, companies and brands have been working hard to use the site as a way to build closer relationships with their fans and customers. If your company is not on Facebook yet, it's not too late to get started. The social networking is at the height of its popularity with over 1 billion monthly users, and it's a great time to get on board the Facebook train. Creating a page in simple and the benefit can be quite significant. So starting the points of how to create the Facebook page, I will request you to subscribe my channel and like the video and share it. So how to create your Facebook page? There are following steps we will discuss. The first step is log into your Facebook account. In the left sidebar, click on the pages sections, click the create a page button. The second step is choose one of the 6 classifications for your page. Choose a category, input your business name and fill the contact information, hit continue. Third step is the begin typing out the category your business best fits into and select one from drop down list. Choose as many categories as apply to your business so that people can easily find you. Step 4 is write a description that describes your business. This is a good place to use some keyword that will help you rank in search engine results. For instance, if you run Lotsa Dog Bakery in Juneau, Alaska, you might want to include the keywords Juneau, Alaska Bakery, for example. Lotsa Dough Bakery is a Juneau, Alaska bakery specializing in artisan breads and pastries. Step 5 is add any relevant links, including your website or Yelp profile. Create a unique URL for your page that people will remember, such as hit continue. Step 6 is upload your profile picture and cover photo. These photos should usually include some combination of your company logo, pictures of your product and other branding components. You can either upload a picture from your computer or add a link from another website. Click save photo. Step 7 is add product and other branding components. You can either upload a picture from your computer or add a link from another website. Click save photo. Step 7 is add the page to your favorite menu if you do like to easily access it later. Attracting an audience. If you are creating your page completely, then it will make it attractive for your audience or clients. The first thing you should do to attract an audience is to share your new page with all of your friends and colleagues who are already connected to you on Facebook. You can invite people from your admin panel either directly or via the email contact option. You should also add a find us on Facebook button on the home page of your website. Include your Facebook URL in all of your advertising materials, including business cards, flyers and guest blog posts. Once you have done all of that, you might want to develop into paid method for advertising your page. Promoted posts appear higher in news feeds of your audience, increasing the likelihood of them seeing it. You can also use ads to advertise the page itself to everyone, fans and non-fans alike. Facebook allows you to set a budget for your advertising campaigns, and they are pretty inexpensive compared to other form of advertising. How to use your admin panel? Your admin panel is the control center for your page. You will find important information here about customer interactions, including notifications, insights, messages, and page promoting option. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.